In Chapter 1, we identified our 7 basic needs in the physical world and our needs in the ocean of abundance. In this chapter, we will create tools and structures that will enable us to satisfy our needs in both dimensions. In HUGE, we define the word integrity as optimal functionality. Optimal functionality means what works best for us to satisfy our individual needs in the physical world and in the ocean of abundance. For example, in the physical world, we can declare what is the best food for our bodies and how often we need to eat. Some people function best or reach their optimal functionality when they stick to a diet of purely organic or vegetarian foods. Other people may function best when they include meat in their diet. We can declare how many hours of sleep we need so that our bodies function best. When we declare that we function best with 8 hours of sleep, yet we are sleeping only 6 hours, then in order to restore our integrity, we will need to make the necessary adjustments. We can declare what type of shelter will serve us best, be it a condo, a house, or a mansion. We can determine how to best manage our sexual activities. We can declare what types of clothing will best suit us. We can declare that we want to live in a secured environment, such as a gated community, or in an environment far away from earthquakes and tornadoes. In our need for well-being, do we want to be rich and successful? Get married? Have pets? Do we want to gain or lose weight? Do we want to manage our health by using medical doctors or other methods? If we want to lose weight, we need to declare our desired weight. Our desired weight then becomes our integrity, and we can create a chart to monitor our progress towards achieving it. If we declare that 120 pounds is our integrity in weight, and we weigh 130 pounds, then we would need to lose 10 pounds to restore our integrity. We can create a chart of time and action for the next 3 months and declare that we are going to exercise 3 times a week in the gym, drink 100 ounces of water daily, and walk the dogs 20 minutes a day. We can monitor our progress on a daily or weekly basis. To help us stay on course to achieve or restore integrity, we can create what we call in HUGE integrity agreements with ourselves and with others in either verbal or written form. We create agreements to get what we need or want. We have agreements with our cell phone service provider, rent and mortgage companies, utility companies, banks, and retail outlets. Agreements are created in business, in government, and in treaties between countries. They can be binding or non-binding. They express each party's needs, the course of action to be pursued to fulfill those needs, and the responsibility of each of the participants to fulfill on the agreement. Stipulations are set in place in case one party fails to perform according to the agreement. For example, if we fail to make a payment to a utility or phone company or cable provider, our service may be shut down or terminated. Agreements can be amended, modified, or annulled with mutual consent of the parties. Agreements can work as tools to observe if we are on track to achieve our desired outcomes, both in the physical world and in the ocean of abundance. We can agree whether we will be happy, upset, angry, loving, forgiving, or unforgiving, supportive or considerate toward ourselves or others. We can decide who we want to be in the ocean of abundance. By establishing the awareness of integrity as a tool to monitor our optimal functionality, we can assess at any moment if we are in alignment with our needs or need to take action or create transformations to restore our integrity. Integrity agreements of any kind shall be in compliance with the governing laws of the municipality, city, or country in which we live, and are subject to the judiciary system.